Black Sheep, have you any wool?
Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for the master, one for the dame, and one for the one boy lives down the lane.
Baa Baa White Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, soft and cool. One for the baker, making some bread, and one for the baby, tucked into bed. Then Baa Baa Brown Sheep, what do you say? I've been munching grass all day. Wool for sweaters, warm and bright. Wool for mittens, soft and light. Soon then Baa Baa Rainbow Sheep, what do you bring? Colors of the rainbow, everything. Red, blue, yellow, orange and green. The brightest wool you've ever seen. Let's count the sheep. 1, 2, 3. How many bags of wool we see? 4 in the barn and 1 in the shed. 1 on the cart and 2 on the bed. Baa Baa Snow Sheep, cold and white. Snuggly wool to hug so tight. Wrap your scarf, wear your hat. Stay warm like a cozy cat. Can you baa like a sheep? Baa baa baa. Can you jump like a lamb? La la la. Can you clap your hands and stomp your feet? Let's all dance to the woolly beat. Baa Baa Sleepy Sheep, night is near. Stars are shining, skies are clear. Time to cuddle, time to rest. Woolly dreams are always best.